The NFL under investigation tonight by the California Attorney General and the New York State Attorney General, as both states are investigating dozens of claims that the league offices here in LA and New York are toxic places to work and that workers' civil rights are being violated. The NFL denies any wrongdoing. We have KCAL News reporter Tom Waite here with details, Tom, of this pretty wide-ranging investigation.
Indeed, and all eyes will be on the investigators to see what they come up with here. California's Attorney General Rob Bonta says he's opening the investigation because more than 30 people have filed lawsuits against the NFL. He wants to know if any state or federal laws are being broken at the league's West Coast offices where hundreds of people work.
We're looking at the potential violation of civil rights.
California Attorney General Rob Bonta taking on the NFL. Bonta, along with the New York Attorney General, are investigating a slew of alleged workplace violations in the NFL offices. The NFL is headquartered in New York City, but has hundreds of workers here in SoCal. The NFL Network offices and studios are here, and NFL Digital right next to SoFi Stadium in Inglewood.
There have been, with respect to the NFL and the workplace environment, multiple allegations across multiple fora over a number of years, alleging pay inequity and sex and race discrimination and retaliation and hostile work environment.
Attorney General Bonta says his office is basing their investigation on more than 30 lawsuits filed against the NFL for alleged workplace violations. The investigation is civil, and Bonta says his office has already issued subpoenas for documents.
Our hope is, if we determine discrimination is occurring, to end the discrimination.
The NFL issued a statement categorically denying the allegations, saying in part, the allegations are entirely inconsistent with the NFL's values and practices. The NFL offices are places where employees of all genders, races, and backgrounds thrive. We do not tolerate discrimination in any form. Loyola Law professor Jessica Levinson says the NFL and individual teams have faced similar allegations and suits for years.
Certainly, we've heard a lot. There have been a number of lawsuits. There's been congressional hearings. And I think this is the logical next step. The question is kind of why now? But for the New York Attorney General, I think a lot of the office was occupied with the former president and bringing the case against him. So at this point, what we have is two attorneys general looking into the NFL and their practices and whether or not they amount to violations of the state laws.
Attorney General Bonta says he expects more employees will come forward.
We expect that there are potentially others who are suffering in silence, who haven't come forward for fear of retaliation or adverse actions against them. We might discover who they are and what they've endured during the investigative process.
At this point, we have not been told about any allegations against any specific office or team in the league, so we'll, of course, keep tabs on this investigation.